I cracked it, girl. Yep. Mm-hmm. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alisia.B. Sorry if you guys hear a lot of noise in the background. A lot of things are happening today, okay? I apologize. So today's video is a wash day video. It's more so a detox wash day because my hair is super weighed down, super greasy, and I haven't done a detox wash day in about more than a month, I think. So it's definitely time to do it. And I'm gonna show you guys all the products I'm gonna be using today. So if you are new on this channel, we ride so much with Ouai detox shampoo. I've been using this for over 6 months, and you guys, I absolutely love this shampoo. It really gets my hair nice and clean, and it does not have the apple cider vinegar smell. Yeah, it doesn't have a bad smell to it at all. It smells really good. So I love going in with this shampoo. And I also do have the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Tea Tree Cooling Hydration Scalp Mask. So we're going to be going in with this as well. This is actually my first time using this product. So I don't know how it is, but we're going to see how it works out. I know a lot of people ride for Briogeo. So it says to use after the micro exfoliating shampoo. So since we don't have that shampoo, I'm going to use it after the detox shampoo. Apply it directly to the scalp and massage it in. Leave it on for up to 10 minutes. Rinse out thoroughly and condition the hair normally with your preferred Briogeo hair conditioner. I'm actually going to change up the order a little bit. I'm going to go in with the 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner after the scalp treatment, just to bring back the hydration to my hair. And then I'm going to go in with the Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. So a lot of things that happen in this wash day, but it's because I don't really have a deep cleanse wash day every week. I do at least once a month, once every 6 weeks. So that's why this wash day is very hectic and very heavy, because my scalp needs to breathe again, needs to be cleansed, needs to be clean, it needs to be revived. So if you're feeling that your scalp or your hair is never clean, or say your silk particles aren't flowy, or even if you have like flakes after you wash your hair, chances are your scalp is still dirty and you need to go in with a detox and scalp scrub just to clarify your scalp and make sure you have a clean plate. Alright guys, so that's the lineup for today's wash day. Let's get to it because it's going to take a while to wash our hair, but we need to do it as necessary in order for our hair to grow. Alrighty guys, so to walk you guys through my wash days, I always make sure that my hair is fully drenched with the water, just to make sure my hair gets all that moisture, because water is the most important and the most, like, the best moisturizer there is out there. So I drench my hair with the water and I go with the Ouai Detox shampoo. You guys, I absolutely love this shampoo. It's so good. It works really well. It doesn't leave my hair feeling as dry and brittle as the other detox shampoos I've used. So I absolutely love it. And because my hair was super greasy, I actually go through my hair 3 times with this shampoo. It seems like it's excessive, but again, this is a cleansing wash day, so I want to make sure that my scalp and my hair is as clean as possible. And because I'm going through my hair so much with the cleansing shampoo, I always make sure that I follow up with a hydrating shampoo just to bring all that moisture back into my hair. So this was my first time using any Briogeo hair products. You guys have been ranting and raving about this line, so I'm like, you know what, let me try it out and see how it is. So I did use the Scalp Revival mask, and if you guys do like tingling sensations, this has tea tree oil in it, so you will get that sensation. I liked it. It was okay. I'm not sure if I used it correctly, but for what I did, it felt really good. I might have to use it again just to see if I like it, but using it after the detox shampoo, it really helped my hair feel nice and cool and clean. Now y'all, let me tell you about this product, the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moisture. You guys, I've been using this product since I've been natural, and I love this product. Like, the slip is chef's kiss. The smell is so good. It just feels so good on my hair. Like, I feel the hydration going back into my scalp, and it just works so good. Like, it makes my hair feel like butter. Like, look how easily that brush is going through my hair. You guys, I absolutely love this product. If you guys have not tried it, I highly suggest you go and try it out. And the best part is, it's so cheap. It's like $5 at Walmart. Okay, definitely go and check it out. So now I'm going with the Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Line shampoo conditioner. I got this off of Sephora for like 25 bucks when it was on sale, and I absolutely love this product. I have a video on it on my channel just reviewing it and all of the benefits that it gives your hair, and I absolutely love this product hands down. It is a bond treatment, so it's almost like Olaplex, but it's Bond Night Boost. It works really well. I absolutely love it. If you guys are interested in this product, I do have a video, like I said. Just go check it out and see how it works for your hair. I have the whole Rapid Repair line. The serum is probably one of my favorite products from this line, but I absolutely love it. And that is the end of this wash. Okay guys, I am finally done washing my hair. It took me so long because I had so many steps, but my hair feels so clean. It feels amazing. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. My lips are actually really dry. Y'all not about to catch me on here with dry lips, so. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my heat protectant, my oils, my silk therapy, and I bought this new Olaplex volumizing blow dry mist. I'm gonna try this out for the first time. It says mist onto clean damp hair, focusing on the roots, and for added volume use a round brush to lift the roots as you blow dry. So I'm gonna try that tonight. I'm using my Good and Faithful Babyliss Pro blow dryer. Absolutely love this one. With the attachments, I don't know if this is native to it, but if it's my blow dryer, I'm gonna use this. And you guys know I use my True Cream of Nature Argan Oil Smooth and Shine Blowout Cream. OG, you guys, I use chai, however you guys pronounce it, and I'm going back to this one. I absolutely love it. And like I said, my Bio Silk and my Olaplex oil number 7, tried and true, guys, tried and true. Oh, and I'm going in with the keratin and green tea restructurizer. This is like a very minimal leave-in protein treatment. Use it, love it, works good. I'm gonna keep on using it.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark mood, purple, go.
Guys, I look like the girl from not the girl, I look like the Oompa Loompas from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Like, what is going on here? Okay, so once all my hair is detangled, I'm gonna put the Olaplex number 7 oil. This, you guys, I love this oil. It works so good. And it also acts as a heat protectant as well. So if you don't have any heat protectant, this protects your hair up to 400, I believe, 410 degrees. So your hair is very much protected. I'm going to get my round brush and just pass it through a little bit just to see if I can get the ends a little bit more straighter and not as coarse. So you see the difference that this blow dryer brush makes? It definitely straightens your hair a little bit more, well, not a little bit, a lot more than the blow dryer. This way, when you do your silk presses, you don't need as much heat because your hair is already straightened a lot when you're doing the blow dryer. So if you guys want to have an easy time straightening your hair with the flat iron, make sure you guys go in with the blow dryer first and then a blow dryer brush after, and then it'll give your hair that nice sleek look. But look at that compared to this. Big difference. This is like the straightest my hair has ever gotten without even like passing a hot comb through it. Like, I think I finally figured it out. But I think you have to use the blow dryer brush after you use a blow dryer, not before, after. And don't use a blow dryer brush as a detangling tool because it is not, girl. Unless you want to see your hair all on the floor and in the brush and not on your head, then you could do that. But I cracked it, girl. Yep. So this video I'm just gonna do some light curls, flying curls, and see how it turns out, because you guys, I've been practicing it, I've been trying to do it, and it's not been working out lately, but I'm determined, and once I have my mind on something, like, I'm gonna get it done. So we're gonna try it out again tonight, see how it turns out. Fingers crossed turns out good, because so far my hair is looking really good. It feels great. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Oh, before I forget, one thing that I've been doing lately is using a little bit. When I mean like a little bit, I mean like a little bit, like a fingernail size of grease. I'm trying the Do Girl Hair Vitalizer. Yeah, mega thick. This, you guys, this is OG, okay? This is oldie but a goodie. So literally just a tiniest bit. Ugh. Probably like this size, a little bit more to be honest. Yeah, so this size, you guys, that's it. And I'm putting it in my hair to make my silk parts just a little bit more shiny, and I'm trying to build up my volume in my hair, so this should help. But yeah, just a little bit, you guys. I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry,
he's the product of something awful. Something I have worked very hard to provide.
Another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better, know you do better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekends. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love whatever we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. I guess we got love, love, love. I guess we got. Never gave you my number, I did it with you. Should never let you hit it, I split it with you.
Yeah, that's right. Thank God. I'm broken back in a manner of speaking. But we were going to get you steroids to reduce the swelling, put you in a brace, put the abnormal proteins in your hormones.
Amyloidosis. Okay, so why is it happening? Your condition is caused by your liver, which keeps pumping out the bad proteins.
That's that most city, that's aight, that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know I know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, send the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. I said this, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel you. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch you real weak.
Well, I am done pressing up my hair. It looks so good. You guys know I love me a straight bob, but I really want to put some curls in it, and I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah, because I want to see how it looks. But this bob looks so good. Absolutely love it. But let's put some curls in it and see how it turns out. I'm excited. Okay guys, this is actually cute. Like, I could rock with it. Do you guys like this? Hold on. This is actually really cute. I like this. I think I just have to get used to it. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Let me take this down here. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you guys like this hairstyle. Something that I'm trying to get used to. I'm gonna definitely be doing this more often. That way it can get better and it's not as confusing and messy. You know what I mean? But I think this looked really good, especially for my first time trying it. Like, this looks really good, you guys, I think. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.